Well, I made the trip to come and see my mate Reuben, and the guys at DMW are putting together a bit of a package. Now, I'm super excited because it is time for a change. I've had a 79 for a while.
Yeah.
I built myself a really nice tray built out of 9,000 kilos of steel. Did this warrior canopy with a gun turret on top. Looked amazing, not very practical. I saw your tray on your Y6 suit. I'm a boom. This is the only thing for me. I'm that excited, mate. What am I getting?
Mate, you are getting our XTR tray, right? And a 3/4 canopy and all the rest of the stuff. You know, your tie mounts that go on the back of it. It's going to look absolutely sick. And it is actually probably going to look better than the Y62, which is going to hurt the heart. But this thing is absolutely sick. It's going to be off its head, this truck.
I can't wait. I saw you go up beer o'clock. I want to go up beer o'clock. I couldn't really do it because I literally was so heavy. Yeah. This thing is lighter, sleeker, better looking. I've always loved the 3/4 canopy because that's what I had in the Hilux. But I cannot wait for that storage that I've never truly had.
But you're losing all the kilos.
Oh my God, I need to lose them so bad. But I cannot wait to build an ultimate rig, ultimate tourer that's set up just the way I like it in a single cab. I'm awesomely pumped. I cannot wait to see what you're doing, mate.
Mate, I can't wait to have you on board.
Guys, stay tuned, it's going to be amazing.